Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 18. I received the following email from somebody just starting out in TradeStation, and if you've been using TradeStation for a while, you will know this stuff, of course. But if you're starting out, it could be a question for you. And the question was, if I see a program or something like that on the forum, how can I apply this to one of my charts? So we're going to go through that process. The first thing that we're going to do is find a program. Now, in this particular case, rather than go to the forum, we're going to go to my website, and Gold Pass members, one of the free resources that they're eligible for is to download a program from tutorial 109. So let's just assume that we're logged in as a Gold Pass member. We see the program here. So what I'm going to do is just highlight that program and just go to from the top until we get to the copyright statement. I'm going to say Control C for copy. Then I'm going to go to the development environment. So you'd need to open the TradeStation development environment, and you can do that if you look on your computer. You should be able to see something like this. It's the development environment. I've already got it open. So we go to the development environment, say File, New. Now, depending on what sort of file it is, this one I know is an indicator, so I will select indicator. If it was a show me, you would connect, or if it were a show me, you'd connect the show me. If it were a strategy, you would select strategy, and so forth. So we're going to click the indicator, like so. We get a blank indicator. I'm going to put in a name, so I'm going to call it Quick Tips 18 EG. Like so. And having done that, what I'm going to do now is paste the program in. So I'm going to do Control V, and then we have the program. Now the final thing we need to do is verify it, and you can do that by either clicking this little green tick or pressing F3. So I'm going to verify that. So now we have the program. That program is available to be applied to your chart, provided there was no syntax errors in the actual program you copied. So in order to apply that to a chart, you would simply go to your TradeStation environment, and you would open a chart, and you can do that by going File, New, Trading App window, and selecting the chart analysis. I've already got one open. Then we go Insert, in this case Indicator. We would search for the indicator that we've just created, which was Quick Tip 18, which is just right here. I'm going to select that. I'm going to say OK, and it is then applied to the chart. Now that is how you create the program and apply it. If you wanted to send it somewhere else, you might wish to do so as an ELD, and that is straightforward. So we would go File, Import and Export. We would choose Export Easy Language Documents File, like so. Say Next. We then tell it which file that we want to export, and so we would select Quick Tip 18 or whichever one you like. Double click on it. You can include several programs, so we could include other quick tip programs, for instance. Then we'd say Next. Then what I normally do is just click on Browse and find a particular place on your computer and type in a name and say Save, and there you have an ELD that you can email. So I hope you might have found this useful. Thank you.